In today's video, I'm going to teach you Adobe Photoshop tutorial, how to wrap text around any image. If you want to create that clean, professional magazine style layout where text flows neatly around a subject, Photoshop makes it surprisingly simple once you know the process. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through it in a clear and easy way so you can use the same technique in your own posters, flyers, social media graphics, or any creative design project. To begin, press Ctrl and R to show your rulers. These rulers make it much easier to build an organized layout. From there, click and drag outward from the rulers to place guides on your document. These guides will act like margins, helping you keep your text aligned and giving the overall design a much cleaner, more polished look. Taking a moment to set this up at the start can make the rest of the process much smoother. Next, press P to select the pen tool. Now zoom in on your subject so you can see the edges clearly. Using the pen tool, carefully draw a path around the image area you want the text to wrap around. The more accurately you follow the shape of your subject, the better the final result will look. It's a good idea to move slowly here and focus on clean, smooth points rather than rushing. This path is what tells Photoshop where the text should avoid, so precision really helps. Once you finish outlining the subject, hold Shift and extend the path outward until it connects with the guides you created earlier. Make sure the entire shape is fully closed. This is important because Photoshop needs a complete enclosed path in order to place and wrap the text correctly inside that area. After that, press T to switch to the text tool. Click inside the custom path you just created, then start typing your text or paste in any text you want to use. As soon as the text is placed inside the shape, Photoshop will automatically wrap it around your subject. This is the key effect that creates that editorial, magazine-style appearance. From here, customize the text so it fits your design. Adjust the font, size, spacing, color, and alignment until everything feels balanced and visually appealing. Small changes can make a big difference, so take a moment to experiment and find a style that complements your image rather than competing with it. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can create a polished text wrap effect that instantly makes your design look more professional. Try it with different images and text styles, and you'll quickly see how useful this simple Photoshop technique can be.